You decided to make your first AR or VR application but have no idea where to start. It's fine, you're not alone. This whole reality world may seem confusing, but it is just as any other business project. And as a business project, this requires an execution plan called roadmap. Let's talk about it. In this video, we'll talk about what a roadmap of an AR and VR project is, how to estimate the scale of your future project, and how to meet the expectations with the future result. Don't be afraid, nothing too complex. Product roadmap is a step-by-step plan of your project execution. It will help you track the progress of your app development, its status, and design. Roadmaps may differ from project to project, but some essential milestones are research, design and demo, development, launch, and support. The studio you're working with has to provide a product roadmap that will define the future development stages. Let's take a look at those. This is the most vital part of your project. Start with answering these questions. What is the goal of my app? What problem does it solve? What kind of content will be presented there and how customers will engage with it? How complex should be the interaction and what will the users engage with in their real surroundings? Is it a one-time gimmick or an ecosystem of different solutions? What's the message the users have to learn? How to use 3D to maximize engagement. See our video on proper set of introductory questions to take care of before planning your next XR product. Yet, what is more challenging is, some would say, a simple task: to understand what are the latest capabilities of the technology and which limitations you may face in your development. Most of the answers to your questions are on the surface of the web. There are many materials, just like our videos, for example, that could help you understand how does this technology actually work. We would recommend checking out ARKit and ARCore featured presentations and visionary to get a better understanding of where the technology is moving to. If you're looking into VR, same rule applies. Check who are the trendsetters and innovators and see how they envision the nearest future of the industry. Research and choose appropriate technologies with your partner. Some of the tasks your app needs to do exist as ready-made solutions. But what if you don't find anything fitting your request? Well, just find a team that will be willing to build everything from the ground up. Congrats, now you're the innovator in XR industry. The project team has to come up with a proper set of technologies, a base platform that will house your app. If you need a fast solution, you may go for existing SDKs or build an app from scratch. As for now, it is easier and faster to build augmented reality apps on one of the few developed SDKs on the market. Choose one that fits your needs most. The research part of a roadmap may include R&D, competitor analysis, or any other market researches needed for your launch. Make sure to pay extra attention to your marketing plan because your AR app needs promo support, just like any other project. Remember, user experience or UX is essential. There are no ready-made templates for AR apps just yet, and everybody's trying their best in creating the design that would be friendly and smooth. But it's not as easy as it seems. Check out our previous video to get a better idea on what is a good and bad UX for space scanning and digital objects placement. It is here when you'll be presented with a demo, a first working prototype of your future killer app. If you're developing an innovative product, put a demo phase earlier, just to be sure the technologies you're working with are compatible. Don't be too hard on it. Think of it as a car without windows and bumpers and doors. You get the picture, it's just a running engine. By the end of this stage, you will get a general understanding of what you will see in the end result. Use the design stage as a communication tool for you, your team, and your customer. Design and its content may change over time, and that's fine, but the foundation you're putting into the carcass and defining the ways of interaction and types of content are everything. Next phase is development, and our only suggestion is define milestones and versions. Test it yourself and use all the tools for effective communication and development management. Every milestone has to be tracked and checked for results. You're the one who has to ask for midterm results. Remember, you're the product owner and have all the rights to watch the development process. Organize weekly testings, ask the team to explain how every feature works and what other options can be presented. The development is done, now how do you launch the app? Your project team is responsible for putting it on stores, but you and your marketing band are taking it from here on. Remember, an app will need your attention and support for the first period of time. You will notice new strength points in your idea during the launch, either by yourself or by the community. Listen to them and develop that into new features. Cover the whole process from the first idea to the last version of the app. Development starts from the moment you imagine the solution. It's crucial you're fully involved in reviewing what's happening. Make a detailed roadmap, but keep it simple. No need to mark every Friday testing. You and your project team has to be on one page during the whole development process. That's it for now. Let us know if you have any questions on this topic, and I'll see you next time.